Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you another easy manicure video. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'll st- to start, I'll come in with my electric file and file the surface and the edges of my nails. Which I'll come in with a dehydrator and clean off any excess dust and oils that might be on my nails. I'll come in with the primer. I'll be using almond nails here and I'm using the very short one. So I'll come in with a little bit of nail glue and then stick the nails onto my natural nails. Next, I'll come in with my file and file off that pointy plastic at the tip of the nails. And I'll come in with the electric file and file the cuticle area. I just want to give it that natural look. So I'm kind of filing the fake nails, any excess fake nails around the cuticle area. Since we're in spring, I'll be going for lilac shade. So I'll get about 2 or 3 drops of my lilac nail polish and just put this into my mixing bowl. Since I want the translucent look, I'll come in with a glossy top coat. I'll be using about 5 or 6 drops. I'll go ahead, give it a very good mix. I'll get my brush and pick up a little bit of the polish. I'll give my nails 1 coat each. After which I'll cure them under the UV light for 60 seconds. Next, I'll go ahead and come in with a second coat. This time I'll make it thicker than the first. Want some French tips, so I'll get a silicone stamp and come in with a little bit of my white gel polish, after which I will dip the tip of my nails into the white polish to pick up the polish at the tips of the nails. I'll go ahead and cure them for about 60 seconds. Then I'll seal them off with a glossy top coat. Come in with my cuticle oil to help relax the cuticles a little bit. And here we are. I hope you liked them and I hope I did help you. If you do, give them a try. Let me see how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye.